steps for Raindrops on My Head, a 36 count, 4-wall, high beginner line dance. To the right diagonal, step, block, step, block, step. Back, sweep, behind, side, cross. Back, side, cross, rock, recover, side. Quarter turning jazz, ending with a cross. Side, together, quarter shuffle. Half pivot, half shuffle. Sailor step with a point, rolling vine, touch, quarter Monterey. And now with the count. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. There is a tag on wall 3. You will be facing 9 o'clock. Simply do 2 side touches. Side touch, and then restart the dance. There's also a restart on wall 6. You'll be facing 3 o'clock. Dance the first 12 counts, and then restart the dance. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Restart here.